In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to record a solo video on Zoom without starting a meeting on your PC. Let's walk through this step by step in a really simple way. So by the end, you'll be able to record yourself on Zoom even if you're the only person in the call. First, we're going to start right in your browser. Open up your preferred browser, like Chrome, Edge, or Firefox. In the address bar at the top, type in "How to record a solo video on Zoom without a meeting PC." This search phrase is helpful because it pulls up guides and resources specifically focused on recording yourself without inviting anyone else or scheduling a full meeting. Once the search results load, you should see a page of links from various sites and usually some quick answers or suggestions from Google at the top. Take a moment to scan the results. What you're looking for is a clear, trustworthy guide that walks you through using Zoom's local recording features or its built-in video options without actually hosting a group call. Click on one of the top results that looks like a step-by-step tutorial. Many of these guides will show screenshots of the Zoom desktop app and explain where to find the right settings. As you follow along, keep your Zoom app installed and ready on your computer so you can mirror what the guide is showing you. Typically, the method you'll learn involves opening the Zoom desktop client, signing in, and then using Zoom's option to start a new session where you're the only participant. From there, you turn on your camera and microphone and use the Record button to capture your video. Because you're following a guide that's specifically about solo recording, it will usually highlight exactly which buttons to click, how to adjust your audio and video, and where your recorded files will be saved afterward. While you're going through the instructions in the guide, take your time to pause, switch back to Zoom, and try each step yourself. If something in the online guide isn't clear, you can always go back to the Google results and open another tutorial that explains the same process in a slightly different way. Sometimes, seeing the same steps described in a different style makes everything click. By starting with that specific Google search and then carefully following one of the detailed guides, you'll quickly learn how to use Zoom as your own personal recording studio without ever needing to invite anyone else or schedule a formal meeting.